Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be answering the question if you can pay Temu with cash on delivery. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just head on over to the checkout section in Temu and let's go and have a look if you can pay via cash. Alright, so I've got these shoes in my basket, so now I want to check out. Alright, I am on the checkout section here now. So if I scroll down, we've got payment methods. And now as I'm looking at it in this current time of April 2025, payment methods is card, PayPal, Afterpay, Zip, PayPal, Google Pay, Klarna. Keep scrolling down, there's no option to pay via cash. And this is for my region, so I'm in Australia, but I have heard in Reddit discussions that it is available in some certain regions. So I've heard that Jordan is supported. Also the UAE, Saudi Arabia and Kuwait. But what I suggest is keep an eye on the Temu's website or social medias to see if they're going to change this to more countries in the future.